Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain and I am here to discuss certain things about market. But before I go on to that, I would request you to join me for the live trading where my team and I come together and really give you very thoughtful and wonderful trades so that you can all make good money. Also, I also want you to show that if you come to my channel, this is my Hindi channel, and if you go to my English channel and open up any video, on the top you will get our Telegram link and also you will get our webinar link. Using this webinar link, you can join us for the live trading, which we will be starting again after the holidays from tomorrow onwards. So with this, I'll bring you back to today's topic. The topic here is that I made a video for you on 11th of August about choppiness, which can tell you about trending market or not. I'm hoping that you all watched it, and I've given three stocks here: MGL, NAM India, NMDC. And all three of them are right now very positive. So let me just show you what happened in MGL. Here is MGL. I made the video on this date, 10th of August. 11th, see here, 11th onwards, it just took a flight. Just see how beautifully it moved from 830 to 923. Then I have given NMDC. NMDC has also given a good 5% move at least. If not this big, but at least 5% move NMDC has given. This is the day from here to here. 118, 110 to 100, 113, 14 to 118. So 4% move has been given by it. Then the other stock that I have given was NAM India. NAM India is also in the positive space. So from here, I've given a buy above 308. It made a high today at 325. Now, again, because we discussed about this indicator, combined it with RSI and with price action, we filtered some stock. Now, again, when we are trying to rely on an indicator, we need to see how is it reliable in the broader market. Like it's just not sometime once in a while, but it should be applicable in all the scenarios. So what I want to tell you, Nifty today stands on a very crucial juncture. When I say crucial juncture, Nifty has given a gap up opening. If you notice, Nifty has given a gap up opening, an open equal to high. Nifty has given made open equal to high. That means there were sellers from the opening itself. And after that entire day, Nifty could not cross this high of today. A very serious concern as far as trading is concerned. And tomorrow, in case there is a gap down opening by any chance, one must believe that some kind of profit booking may start coming in. And when I say profit booking, at least 500, 600, 700 point movement can be surely expected. So the trend will turn bearish in case this open equal to high is not taken out. This open equal to high is a very important place. This has to be taken out by tomorrow morning. In case it does not and the low is broken, then a further fall in the market can be expected, and this fall can lead to a drop of about 700-800 points or maybe 1,000 points. So with keeping those things in mind, let's start with our work. I'm going to use 1 day time frame, and I'm going to apply this indicator called choppiness, and I'm going to apply this indicator called relative strength. Okay, now what I'm going to do in choppiness, I'm going to draw a line exactly at 50. This is where I'm going to plot a line, and in RSI what I'm going to do, I will change it a little bit, make it 60, and lower band I'm going to make it 40. Now what I want to tell you, the criteria is when RSI is above 60 and choppiness is below 50. choppiness हमेशा 50 के नीचे होनी चाहिए. Always choppiness should be below 50. So if I want to buy, RSI should be above 40, above 60, choppiness should be below 60, below 50. Let me repeat it again. If I want to buy, if I want to invest, RSI should be above 60, choppiness should be below 50. So I'm going to filter out some stocks. Let's have a look. HDFC AMC. Choppiness has massively come down, so that I'm going to ignore. Then comes Escorts. Escorts is no. Auto, Honey Auto, well, no, that also doesn't work out. No, because choppiness, okay, I'm going to do one thing. So RSI is above 60, but choppiness has already gone down. That doesn't work out. So RSI is just crossing above 60 and choppiness is heading down. So that's going to be my first stock, which is HDFC Life. Okay, so there is a very close by barrier at about 580. So the 10 points move you will surely get, but in case this barrier, which is the past strong barrier, has to be taken out above 580, you can expect a movement till about 600. ICICI GI, again RSI is above 50, above 60, and choppiness is heading in the downward direction. And the closing has been very good today, above 1305, 1305. You can expect a move till about 1400. That's my second stop. MRF, no, doesn't work out. Adani Ports, no. Bosch Limited, no. IEX, that looks good, although the choppiness doesn't show strong strength because it should be sharply bending down. But still, where IEX stand shows a good, valuation. So we need to buy it above 174 for a target of 180 or so and so forth. And the RSI should be above 60 and choppiness should be heading in the downward direction below 50. So that's my third stock. Eicher Motor already gone up. Adani Enterprises gone up. Hind Petro. Hind Petro looks good. Have a look at Hind Petro. RSI is above 60. Choppiness is sharply bending in the downward direction. So Hind Petro looks good. And the closing has been very, very strong. So above 256, we find a good setup in Hind Petro. ABB, no. BPCL can be a good trade. Look at RSI just crossed up and choppiness is just heading in the downward direction. So above 347, a very good buying can be expected in BPCL. And look at the head and shoulder pattern, right? How the head and shoulder pattern has been forming here. Many multiple peaks have formed in the bottom. Above today's high, there could be a good breakout in BPCL. So MGL I have already given, and that has given a very, very beautiful breakout. So as of now, we discussed HDFC Life, ICICI GI, IEX, Hind Petro, and BPCL, right? These are the 5 stocks that are looking very good to me. I feel that they should be able to give us good move. Again, because Nifty is standing at a very, very crucial juncture. There is a possibility that bearish tone may set in. In case bearish tone sets in, then it will not be good idea to still go for a buy side. When I'm saying bearish note may set in means about 500, 600, 700 or 1000 points drop. Please be careful in such scenarios because today was a very, very peculiar day in Nifty. All right. So once again, watch this video to understand more clearly the criteria that I have given for a buy and watch the stocks that I have given on that day and see how they stand, where do they stand today. And with the same mind, you should come back here. Now I have one cash stock also, which looks good to me for a good breakout, which is Tata Motor DVR. So the closing of Tata Motor DVR has been very, very good. It has made a triple bottom. Have a look at this. It has made a triple bottom, and after that, good consolidation, broken a very strong barrier of about 237, and today it seems to have given a beautiful breakout. So above 242, we can surely expect it to move towards 250, 260, and then finally toward 270. So those could be the targets that can be expected at Tata Motor DVR. So this is what I wanted to share with you. Again, do the analysis because this is how you make your conviction strong in your setup. So just again see how these stocks perform and then be careful when you are selecting the stock. Just keep in mind the overall market scenario, plus also keep in mind the setup that I have told you. Above 60 RSI, choppiness should be below 50. So I'm not looking for stocks that could be sold as of now because the bearish trend is not confirmed by Nifty so far. The moment it is done, we will also look for some selling stocks. So with this, I'll be signing off, your host, Dr. Seema Jain, and I'm expecting you to join me in the live trading tomorrow. And I do a lot of work about stock market, the mental setup, the kind of attitude. So watch all these videos. I'm sure you will be able to gain some knowledge, and a lot of videos I've made regarding the setup and the understanding about the market. So keep watching them and keep minting money along with Stockpro. And do join me for live trading, and do join me at my Telegram channel. Today, one trade that I have given early morning was Century Ply. Century Ply is one trade that I have given, and I gave it a buy at about 632. Somewhere here is where I've given a buy, somewhere here, 632, and it made a high of 667, almost like 35 points in one single day, 5% move in a single day. So these kind of trades, if you want to do join me on the Telegram channel and do join me for the live trading. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video tomorrow. All the best and see you in the live trading along with Stock Pro Mentors. Bye bye.